Let's get some hits. Good luck, everybody. Let's get something good, hopefully. By base. Flacco base. Looks like we got a redemption. Charles Woodson. Flacco. Eli. And the redemption, Topps Precision Football Rookie Base Autograph, Gold Parallel, Andy Dalton. Alright, that is a pretty good one. Dalton. Flacco, Woodson, Eli. Limited. Serial number. Something good in here, at least limited. They're all low numbered. Last pack for the night. Good luck to everyone. Got a 498. Garrett Blunt. 5 out of 499. Jackson, legend. 74 out of 499. Williams. 4 out of 499. Troy Aikman. 37 out of 50. Aldon Smith. Nice pull for the 9. Out of 100. Chris Durham. Autograph. Don't know who the hell Chris Durham is, but it's an autograph at least. And 49 out of 199. Redemption. Imperial Phenoms rookie number 226. '26 is gonna be Leonard Hankerson. Sorry. So the redemption is a Leonard Hankerson. And recap. Spotlight. Center base, DJ Williams, Bo Jackson,